What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your Instagram account from professional to personal account. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Instagram account. After opening the Instagram account, you have to go to your profile. Then you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. After clicking on that, you will find a option called settings and activity. Then you have to scroll down. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to settings and privacy, what you have to do, you have to click on business tools and controls. You have to click on this option. Then you have to find the option called switch account type. This is the option. You have to click on this option. Then here is a pop-up. You have to click on the switch to personal account till we need to change our account from professional to personal. You have to click on this option. Then there will be another confirmation. You have to click on the switch to personal. After clicking on that, it will take some time. Then your account will be switched to business account to personal account, just like this, switched to personal account. So this is how you can change your business Instagram account to personal account. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.